Okay, so this is an example of an if-elif structure code. So in this particular code, we are taking an input from a user, converting into an appropriate type and performing certain actions. But what I wanted to show you is that the indentation. So this is how the block of codes are distinguished in Python compared to other programming languages, where we enclose the block of code with the help of curly braces. So here you can see we have two indented instructions, which means that these two instructions are a part of this if block. Okay, so if this condition satisfy, these two instructions will execute in order. Okay, I could have 200 instructions also indented as an indented block under this condition. So all those 200 conditions will instructions will execute if this condition satisfy. Okay, so this is how you will be actually creating a block of code under a certain condition. We will see that in a project how you do that. Okay, now in the end you see that, so we are following this variant if, elif, else structure. So here the branch structure is finishing, and this print instruction, which is not indented, it's not a part of any block. Okay, which means that it is outside and it is going to execute once this block is finished. Okay, so for example, if user underscore age is less than 16, if this condition satisfy, it will execute this instruction, and it will not even check any of these thing, and it will directly jump out of branch instruction, and it will start executing from this instruction onwards. Okay, any question?